Charly boy. Charly, ready for your snack? Hmm? You ready for your snack? This stuff is really good. It's for, he had irritated skin, and also the other cat had irritated skin. I guess he needs nutrients. So these nutrients, come here, Charly. You ready? Are you ready? Hmm? You want some? Oh, he's ready. Come here, boy. Okay. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, Charly. Hmm? Slowly. This is Charly's reward for being such a lovable little boy. Yeah, Charly. Makes you healthy and strong. It's got a lot of omega-3, vitamins, minerals. One more. Good to the last drop. Good to the last drop, Charly. If your cat has any skin or hair issues, itchy, just a couple of these kind of turned them right around, and also the other cat too. Do you recommend it, Charly? Can we get a thumbs up? Huh? I should get paid from these people. All right. Charly had his chow chowies. He's moving on. Where are you going, Charly? Okay, bud. Catch you later.